I don't know where to begin. If you guys been watching the news for the last couple days, you have probably noticed that California, especially Los Angeles, has been fighting these wildfires in our local area due to the high winds that we had. You know, losing a tree and a couple pots, not having power for the last couple days, just a small inconvenience comparatively to these people that have lost their home, their livelihoods, and their businesses. If you have not heard, within our bonsai community, Nathan Simmons, Kathy Benson, of course the Nuccio brothers in Altadena has lost their home and businesses. With that said, the Baikoen Bonsai Club as an executive group has decided to cancel the 61st annual Winter Silhouette Show at the LA Arboretum on January the 18th and 19th. That's technically next weekend. So California and Los Angeles can really focus in and to really contain and fight these wildfires and kind of start that rebuilding process. We didn't think it was right to be celebrating while all these people have lost so much. If you guys like to help with the wildfires and the recovery, there's other plenty place for you guys to donate to. Red Cross, there's a couple GoFundMe accounts going out there for these people that have been affected directly. You know, anything, even these phone calls, can really help these people out at this point. Anything can help. Try to give you guys updates as best I can. Thank you for watching.